This is a 2013 Honda CR-V, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, a power moonroof, a multi-link rear suspension, and hill start assist. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, roof rails, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster. And this vehicle has fewer than 14,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.